Okay, already we have done our session. Now we'll go for presentation session. Now I would like to request senior staff nurse, hands together for him. Take it and go over there.
First of all, special thanks to our honorable teacher, Rajun sir. Dear ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. How are you all? I'm also fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Well, this is Bilal Ahmed before you. Actually, I'm not in the habit of speaking in public place. I will my best try say something regarding my topics. Today's topic, my favorite teacher. I meet a large number of teachers. One of them is Mr. Ibrahim sir. He used teach English at my higher secondary level. He was extrovert, always talking in English. So all students in our class, fluent speaking in English, he could make any complex poetry into simple, understandable, easy form. That's all for the time being. See you again. Until then, Allah Hafiz. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Thank you, Mr. Bilal.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Bilal. Who will be the next?